Trust and start walking. We are not alone in the dark, our path will unfold as we move. When you really want something to happen, the whole universe conspires so that your wish comes true. You are not defeated when you lose. You are defeated when you quit. You have two choices, to control your mind or to let your mind control you. We don't need to explain our love. We only need to show it. Change. But start slowly, because direction is more important than speed. Our life is a constant journey, from birth to death. The landscape changes, the people change, our needs change, but the train keeps moving. Life is the train, not the station. The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. Never save the best for later. You don't know what tomorrow holds. The pain of yesterday is the strength of today. Don't give to anyone the power to put you down. Haters are losers pretending to be winners. If you don't care about what people think, you already passed the first step of success. There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve, the fear of failure. Don't waste your time with explanations, people only hear what they want to hear. Be proud of your scars. They remind you that you have the will to live. Close some doors today. Not because of pride, incapacity, or arrogance, but simply because they lead you nowhere. If everybody loves you, something is wrong. Find at least one enemy to keep you alert. Never save the best for later. You don't know what tomorrow holds. To teach is to show what is possible, to learn is to make yourself possible. When we postpone the hardest, the fruit rots, but when we postpone our problems, they keep on growing. Don't say maybe if you want to say no. If you only walk on sunny days, you'll never reach your destination. Each morning brings a hidden blessing, a blessing which is unique to that day, and which cannot be kept or reused. If we do not use this miracle today, it will be lost. Forgive but do not forget, or you will be hurt again. Forgiving changes the perspectives. Forgetting loses the lesson. Don't allow your wounds to transform you into someone you are not. One day you will wake up and there won't be any more time to do the things you've always wanted. Do it now. A life without a cause is a life without effect. What is success? It is being able to go to bed each night with your soul at peace.